Hello. I thought this was interesting, but I'll leave the link, this article. But what I thought was interesting. There, right there. There it is. There. So Resolve has arranged to sell gold from the Placer operation to end users, Apple Incorporated and Tiffany and Company. Both firms have contributed to restoration funds and are looking to source reliable supplies of responsible gold for their products. According to Apple, all salmon gold entering Apple's supply chain this fall will be traced from the mine to the refinery using blockchain technology. There you go. Wow.